Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing my first Take a Lot box. Okay, I've ordered something online, so as you know, the first time delivery is free. So this is my first time ordering, guys. I've never ordered online. So I ordered this live video vlog. This is how it looks. Hope you guys can see it. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and fix it and like to see how it works and everything. So the reason why I ordered this because I know whenever I make videos, I'm not that loud. Okay, so I don't have a loud voice. So let's see what's inside. Let me show you this picture one more time. Can you guys see it? Yeah, I think it's a bit clear. It's a bit clear now. You understand? So it came in the box. So I did open it, guys. I did open it. As you can see, I did. So I chose that they should deliver it straight at home, and I paid cash. I didn't pay online, guys. No. Oh, so this is how it looks. Look, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. The reason why I ordered it online because of this mic. I want this microphone. I just saw like it's pointless to buy like a small microphone, that's when you attach it on your t-shirt, on your dress, whatever you're wearing. So I just wanted to, I like things that come as a set, So it has this LED lights and the microphone, and this is where you can place your phone. I like the fact that you can put your smartphone or your camera, So that's the nice thing about it. I just saw it now. You see, you can put your camera. So I'm just gonna use it for my smartphone. I do have a ring light, but it's too, it's too long. Sometimes I just want to place something on the table, and I don't have a good background, so that's why at the back. So this is, what is this? Oh, I think it came. I'm sure it has some instructions. Yeah, you pay lah. It does. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that's this. I guess this is a cord. Why is it so small though? It's so small. Like, look at how small it is. It's so small. Like really small. I think I'm gonna buy maybe a bigger one if this doesn't work. It's so small. Oh. Okay. So here it has the microphone. It has, I think this is a stand. What is it called? Let me see. It's a smartphone mount. I think this is where you place your phone, to protect it and stuff like that. And then it has what else? I don't know what this thing is called. I think let's just say it's a remote. I think it's a remote where you can it's a camera shutter or shooter, whatever you call it. Oops. Okay, it's so small. Can you see it? Yeah, it's a remote. I think it uses batteries as well. Yeah, it's a remote shooter or shutter. I don't know. So here's this stand. It's called pistol grip tripod. So it's a grip, it holds everything. It's also a stand, I guess. And then they have this. So they have this battery compartment. It's at the back. It's at the back. But I thought it came with batteries. I don't know why I thought that. I wish it came with batteries though. But luckily for me, I already bought batteries. So it uses these batteries. I want to see if it works with these ones. Let's just try it out and see if it works. So this part is the LED light, right? Yeah, it's the LED video light. You can see. I like the fact that it uses batteries. I hate plugging something on the wall. I also like something that uses battery or power bank. It's very good. So those are two things that I like about this. And it saves time. You can use it anyway. That's the nice thing. So, and then I'm gonna close it. I don't know what this thing is for. Let me just see. Let me try and see next. Ooh, wow. Wow. Fancy, guys, look. Wow, spotlights. Wow, look at the lighting, guys. Ooh, look at it. It works. Oh, so I guess this is a. It looks like this at the back, so you just twist it like this. It's on. Off. On. Off. Wow, I love it, guys. I love it. I love it already. So it comes with a small booklet. It's actually two inside. I don't know if it has different languages or what. See, it has two booklets. Two. Okay, let's see how do you place this thing. So I just like fixing things without reading the instructions. I don't know why. Because I just feel like it's long. As you can see, it's so long. I don't like reading. I just like reading instructions, but I'll try and follow. I'll try. Let's see what it does. Okay, this is what I want to know, how you open this. Let's see how it opens up. How do you open it? I'm scared I might break it. Ooh, God. Okay, how do you... Oh, wow. This is fancy, huh? And then this thing here, what do you do? Oh, it has a button. Oh, okay. It has like a push-in button. I don't know what it does. Okay, so I guess you screw it. You screw it on this thing again. So you hold it like this, huh? I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do it. I really don't have any clue. Oh, so you take this stand. You see, it has a hole. Can you see? So you're just gonna turn it. Oh, okay, 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 guys. Oh, I see. Wow, this is very nice. You can see. Oh, you see why I don't like following instructions. I like figuring things out. That's a nice part of it. So then what happens? So it's supposed to look like this. Let me see the instructions. Also, this is part number 1, part number 2, and then part number 3 is this light thing I'll show you guys. This is part number 3. Also, I put batteries, guys, don't forget. So I'm gonna place it. How are we gonna place it? Okay, now that's the tricky part. Where do you place this? On top of what? This is so complicated. Okay, so where's the screw for here? Doesn't it have like a screw or something? Guys, this thing needs screw and it doesn't have screw. Or is it me or what? Okay. This is how it looks. It's like, oh wait a minute. I don't understand this thing. Oh my god, the picture, it looks easy, but when you have to figure it out, it looks so complicated. Damn. As they make it look so easy when you okay this. Oh, so this goes here, I guess. But really, does it really go there? Oh, it has this twisting thing. I think this is what makes it a bit tighter, loose, and everything. Let's just see. Once I put this, oh, okay. You just slide it, look, guys, just like this. So simple. And then you're just gonna roll it. It actually tightens it up. It tightens up. Oh, Englishman. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, but why is it facing that way though? Let me try and face it towards my direction. How's that? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, my direction. Yes, my direction, guys. But why doesn't it move though? That's my biggest concern. Oh, so let's see this. So why doesn't it move towards? Why is it facing that way? But hey, seriously, why? Oh, that's not that tight, so I should tighten a bit. Okay, I guess this is fine now. Why isn't it? I think this is what. Oh my goodness. These things. What's wrong? I think I'm doing something wrong. Am I? This is even. Does it even go? No, it goes at the top, right? At the top. But why did it fit so perfectly here? Ooh, yeah, this is so fun. I don't know where this. Oh, this one goes at the bottom. So I guess it slides in here like this. Because they say this is number 3. Let's see, let's see. Okay, and then which is number 4? Number 4. Oh, what? Okay, this is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. Number 5 is what? Number 5 is this remote. I don't know what it does. Okay. Okay. Then let's figure this out. I don't want to read instructions. Maybe I'll read it. Maybe. It doesn't look the same as the picture. It looks so weird. I think it's supposed to be like this way. I think it's right at this side. Let me see. But alright. Okay. Oh, here you go, man. Place it here. Oops. I think I put it the wrong way, didn't I? I think so too. See, here is it. Why does it look so weird? It looks so weird. I think I did something wrong. Seriously. This is not right, man. It is not okay. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, this one. I think this will place it on the table. And then this now. Okay. Okay. Now I see. Now I get it. I get it. But why there's so many holes? Okay, you place it like this, guys. Ah, who would have thought? Hey. Seems like they don't have money to buy another one. Oh, here you go. Like, wow, yay! So I guess you can place this anywhere, right? You can place it here on the side if you want to, here, or at the top, I guess. Oh, wow, this is cool. Okay, I don't know break. Oh shit! How do you do it? How do you listen to it? Why is it facing? I don't even know if it's gonna stand or what. Ooh. Let me just do it this way. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Guys, if this doesn't work, I don't know now. I really don't know. What am I gonna do about this puzzle that I don't even know myself? Wow, this gets better and better. Ooh, shame. I am not gonna lie, shame. I didn't do puzzles in school. Oh, I don't remember doing puzzles in school. Hmm? No, I'm not gonna give up. I'm going to figure this thing out. Let's see. Uh-uh. Okay, this is the lighting, right? Okay, this, now look, it's facing another direction. Like, this is so weird. Like, so weird. This is just weird. Weird. I don't know whether I should, but it's the same thing. Whether I place it this side, it will still face that way. Do you understand that? Okay, let me just try and remove it and see how it will work. Because, well, I'm not now. Okay, oops. Wait, why isn't it? Oh, we can do it in either way. I thought this fits one side, you know. Okay, now it's working properly. Here you go. Can you see? Now it's working. Oops. And now to twist it. Oops, I mustn't break it. Oops. So this tightens the grip, right? Here you go. Ooh, now I'm getting it. Okay. Got it. Wow. Oh, it's working. Yay. You can see it's getting me. Oh, now it looks like a picture. At first it didn't look like a picture. It was facing that way. So this is how it's supposed to look. Oh, I'm so happy to use it. I can't wait to use it, guys. I just can't wait. I can't wait to use it. I'm happy. I'm happy. At least now I can make better vlogs and everything. So it also comes with this. So you place it at the. Where do you place this? Let's see. Also, this one, this you attach it, you put it on your phone, and then this one goes. Where does this one go? Where do you go actually? Where does it go, guys? Maybe you can see, but I can't see it. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, it goes here. It goes here. Can you see? Alright, okay, now I can see. Oh, I get you. So this you connect it to your phone. Wow. Now this is fun. Let's see if it stands on its own. But now, where do you hold? Also, this. I assume. These things. It's not for everybody. I'm including myself. This is not for everyone, guys. This is well. Alright, alright. Okay. I see it. I see it. I can see it. Okay, this is weird. Oops. Oh, now it's working. I'm so happy. Oh, oh, it's now okay. Look at it now. It is okay. Yeah. Oh, you can make it, perfect lighting. So this one's like bright, and you get brighter, brightest. So this is the brightest light. So you can make it dim or dimmer. Oh, I like this look too. Not bad, huh? I like the fact that it uses batteries. That's the nice part about it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.